Ball Academy on the right of your screen. Gokulam Kerala FC on the left. The starting lineup for the starting lineup for the Altis International Football Academy. Dilshan KP Gokulam Kerala FC with the ball position. The under 15 boys with the left back plays it on the flank now. Gokulam Kerala FC gives the position away. Altis International Football Academy with the ball. They lose it. Goes for a long range effort. Not ball back with the captain. Altus International Football Academy with the ball in the midfield now. Both the teams not able to dominate the ball position, giving it up after a few passes. Altus International Football Academy trying to create a chance. Down by a goal here in the first half. Almost lost the ball there. Control is not there for the Altus Football Academy. Tries a long range effort, way off target with the Amal. Lovely pass there. Can he find someone in the box? Goes down. Will he go for goal? Does straight ball back with the Altus International Football Academy in the midfield. The under 15 boys. International Football Academy. Can they create something out of this? With the ball in their position, Altus International Football Academy switches the ball position, keeps the ball rolling at their feet, not rushing into finding an equalizer. Tries the chip ball. Chance here. Puts it over the goalkeeper. Straight in the back of the net. Again, they've got their second goal. What a brilliant chip. Again, the goalkeeper rushing out way too ahead. Dribbles two players on him. Goes down. Gokulam Kerala FC. It's the volley again. Gokulam Kerala FC on the move now. Dribbles, crosses it in. What a brilliant goal! Chipped it over the goalkeeper. Number 3 for tried to cross it, got a chip out of it, straight in the back of the net. Nutmegs the player, goes past two players, loses it. Chance here now. Gokulam Kerala FC tries to be cheeky. They still have the ball position. Back with the defender on the flank now. A chance here, called for the offside.